Hi, this is the Galaxy S23 FE and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So open first the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, just tap to OK and go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's check our new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.